सूर्यकोन और डिकार्बोनाइज इंडिया मुंबई 2025 में ऊर्जा के स्रोत को बढ़ाने पर हुई चर्चा। 2030 तक देश की अक्षय ऊर्जा क्षमता में सौर ऊर्जा का योगदान 60% होगा। मुंबई EQ मीडिया इंटरनेशनल ने सूर्यकोन और डिकार्बोनाइज इंडिया -2025 की घोषणा की है। भारत में ऊर्जा के स्रोत को बढ़ाने के लिए एक प्रयास माना जा रहा है। इस बारे में चर्चा करने के लिए 10 जनवरी 2025 को मुंबई स्थित अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई अड्डे के करीब हॉलिडे इन में विशेष कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया गया है। कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के उत्सर्जन को कम करना इस कार्यक्रम का मुख्य उद्देश्य है। इस सम्मेलन में सौर ऊर्जा पर चर्चा की जाएगी। इस कार्यक्रम में ऊर्जा क्षेत्र में असाधारण योगदान देने वालों को प्रतिष्ठित वेस्ट इंडिया सोलर अवार्ड भी दिए जाएंगे। इस कार्यक्रम में सोवा सोलर के वरिष्ठ बिक्री प्रबंधक प्रबीर चक्रवर्ती, सोलिस के पश्चिम और पूर्वी भारत के बिक्री प्रमुख नीतीश सिंह और गुडवी इंडिया के क्षेत्रीय बिक्री प्रमुख आनंद दत्त सहित कई प्रभावशाली लोग उपस्थित थे। MACDCL, सोवा सोलर, सोलिस, गुडवी और नई ऊर्जा कंपनियों जैसे संगठनों के नेताओं ने भारत के रूफटॉप सोलर भविष्य पर अपने विचार साझा किए। इस कार्यक्रम में ऊर्जा के स्रोत बढ़ाने पर चर्चा की गई। इसके अलावा इस कार्यक्रम में रूफटॉप सोलर के लाभों के बारे में जन जागरूकता बढ़ाने और स्थापना प्रक्रिया को सरल बनाने के महत्व पर भी प्रकाश डाला गया। भारत में सौर ऊर्जा क्षेत्र में उन्नति हो रही है। दिसंबर 2024 तक भारत की स्थापित और ऊर्जा क्षमता 70 गीगावाट है, जो देश की कुल अक्षय ऊर्जा क्षमता का 38% से अधिक है। सरकार के राष्ट्रीय सौर मिशन ने 2030 तक 280 गीगावाट सौर ऊर्जा प्राप्त करने के महत्वाकांक्षी लक्ष्य निर्धारित किए हैं, जो स्वच्छ ऊर्जा के प्रति राष्ट्र की प्रतिबद्धता को दर्शाता है। भारत की छत सौर क्षमता लगातार बढ़ रही है।
Hello, so I am Anand Arak, representing Goodwi Technologies, and I am representing complete West India, taking care of Maharashtra, MP, Chhattisgarh and Goa region. My major product portfolio includes string inverters, right from residential inverters to commercial and utility inverters. So our residential series starts from 1 kilowatt to 250 kilowatt, and we have launched one more inverter in utility scale, which is 320 kilowatt for India market.
So what is the demand of the inverters in India, and what is its growth rate, and what are your future plans in meeting that high demand?
Okay, so in India we have good drafted policies which are helping solar to boom in India. So our major focus is to increase our sales team and penetrate into the market with good quality product. Our service team includes 25 members, which also we have set up a service center in India which helps customer to get the better understanding of the product, and then we can move ahead with the inverters. जैसे देखिए, गवर्नमेंट जो सब्सिडी दे रही है वो दे रही है अपने को टोटल प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर, नॉट ऑन स्पेयर्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. सो दैट सब्सिडी ऑफ अमाउंट ऑफ ₹78,000 इज बीन क्रेडिटेड डायरेक्टली टू द कस्टमर्स अकाउंट, विच इज गेनिंग द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द कस्टमर्स. ओके, सो कस्टमर्स आर गेटिंग मोर इन्वॉल्व इन टू सोलर जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द PM सूर्यगर स्कीम. हाँ, सॉरी, यस, उसमें भी होता है. बिकॉज इसमें क्या होता है, इसमें आपका जो रूरल एरिया भी है और अर्बन एरिया भी है. तो रूरल और अर्बन एरिया में भी ना आपको क्या करना होता है, क्या सब्सिडी जो है वो दोनों के खातों में जाती है. तो उसमें पंप का भी आ गया आपका और इन्वर्टर का भी आ गया. ये चीज़ है. यस,
Thank you, sir.
I am the CTO for Solis India. Solis is like is a string inverter manufacturer. We are based out in China, Ningbo. So we are a global supplier. It's not only we are supplying for Indian market, we are a global inverter supplier. We have a capacity of 80 gigawatt, which is based out in Ningbo, and currently like we started our business in India from 2016. So it's almost like 9 years from the day we started doing that installations and supports for the solar industry in Indian market, and we have crossed almost more than 6 gigawatt in India by the end of 2024. So that's what the current journey, like we started from a small team. Right now we have almost 60 people on board supporting for the Indian consumer for the support which has been needed by the Indian market.
Could you tell us something about the company of the capacity of your company, where is the manufacturing located, and what are your growth plans?
So our company is based out in China. We have a factory in Ningbo, and our capacity of our factory is more than 80 plus gigawatt annually. And we manufacture string inverter starts from 1 kilowatt to 350 kilowatt. 350 kilowatt is our biggest inverter for utility market, and also we are also supplying hybrid inverters globally. So in Indian market also we started supplying hybrid inverters starting for residential plus small commercial and as well as industrial application.
So could you tell something about the hybrid inverter? What is it exactly? So the common people can understand.
See, the hybrid inverter is like it's a device which can accommodate all kind of multiple sources. Like it can connect with PV, it can connect with battery, it can connect with your backup load, and it can also interact with the generator. So like solar is like we know it has a free electricity can be generated. So we can utilize that energy in terms of using storing in your batteries, as well as you can put to the grid as per the policy which we have got in Indian market, PM Surya Ghar Yojana, where the subsidy is also been there for the capacity for 3 kilowatt and 5 kilowatt. So in that particular segment, we know that grid tied inverters only work when we have a grid connection. But with the hybrid inverter, you have an extra advantage where you can store your excess energy into battery, as well as it can also feed into the grid, and plus when the grid is not available, your loads are also can be utilized with the solar energy. That's an advantage of the hybrid
Any plans
inverter.
of manufacturing in India?
Yeah, we do have the plans for, and we are open up with this manufacturing facility in India, because right now we have been seeing that what are the schemes and policies has been introduced by the Indian government, and accordingly we'll be moving forward for the local manufacturing as well.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Solar Limited, BP Sales West, and we are serving this industry from 2000 to 8-10 financial year. We have already completed 16 years in this field, and our capacity right now 1.3 gigawatt. For your information, we are coming with our cell line also, 2 gigawatt cell line in West Bengal only. Is distance 45-minute distance from our present manufacturing unit.
What is your major product that you manufacture?
We are manufacturing solar panel, monopark upcut module and topcon module. We have just started, and we are supplying all over India, like L&T, even Mahagenco. We have received a 50 megawatt topcon module order from Mahagenco directly, and I'm happy to inform you that we have received 180 megawatt order from LC Infra Gujarat to supply in Mahagenco project recently.
What is your current capacity?
Right now,
and how much is the capacity utilization?
Yes. Our capacity right now is 1.3 gigawatt with topcon and monopark module, and the industry practice is around 85%, 90% utilization is there.
Great. So, are you going for any expansions, and in which geographies?
Yes, sir. We are situated in West Bengal, eastern part of India, and we have already acquired land, 100 bigger land in West Bengal only. The distance from our present factory is 45 minutes only. We are coming with 5 gigawatt module line and 2 gigawatt cell line, and cell line will be topcon module. We have a technology partner from China, so they are going to assist you.
Thank you, sir.
In sustainability and ESG. I lead ESG at Welspun Enterprises. Beyond this, I've been working closely with United Nations and many of the organizations in sustainability area.
Ma'am, amazing wealth of knowledge you are bringing to the platform. Could you tell us something about Welspun? What does the company do?
Overall about Welspun World, I'm sure you all would be aware that this is an organization which brings a lot of credibility with itself. They are into steel, they are into Welspun Living is into retail for textiles. Welspun Enterprises, the organization that I represent, we are having two verticals, water and road. We build roads. And we also are into building water infrastructure. We are building the largest wastewater treatment facility in Dharavi and water treatment plant in Bhandu. Apart from this, Welspun is also into new energy, that is called as Welspun New Energy. And Mr. Vineet, my another colleague, is also here for this conference.
Could you tell us something about the new energy and what is your objective of coming to Surikon India today?
Yeah, to be honest, he would have been the best person to comment on how new energy thing is, but they are doing amazing work in renewable energy, also building capability in hydrogen for that matter. In regards with Welspun Enterprises, I would like to comment something. In our ESG journey, and we are also supporting UPJJM for increasing the clean drinking water access in Uttar Pradesh, and we have implemented 28,000 kilowatts of solar power there. So this would support around 1,052 schemes across 2,500 villages, and which will be benefiting almost 4.5 million people.
So, could you elaborate on the sustainability initiatives apart from whatever you have said? Anything else?
Yeah. So at Welspun, we have a very comprehensive strategy. We are working on renewable resources. Particularly, we are using fly ash instead of cement, which avoids a lot of carbon emissions. Apart from this, we have been using pond ash instead of soil. We are saving a lot of water with super plasticizers in construction technologies. We also have now a plan to shift towards a comprehensive shift towards RE as compared to the fossil fuels. Apart from this, as business, we are building water circularity in the urban landscape. So in Mumbai, typically you will see that previously the situation was that the sewage was let out in oceans. But now the situation would be a bit different. There is a huge wastewater treatment facility coming up in Dharavi, which will be treating 418 MLD of water every day, sewage every day. And what will be generate out of it is also biogas with a demethanation plant, which will be handling 350 metric ton of sludge. So you have clean water, which will then go for again use at Ghatkopar. And apart from that, you will also be having the biogas as the RE source to be used after that.
Converting waste into wealth.
Absolutely. So in nature, nothing is waste, sir.
And keeping our cities clean. Thank you so much for enlightening us, and all the best.
Yeah, thank you. Just last one statement, that if we capture 1 day's solar energy, it would be sufficient to light whole earth for a year. So that's the power that RE brings.
Thank you.